Are you looking to get a high-end look for less in your home without the designer price tag? Then you're in luck because today you're going to shop with me at Arhaus, where I'll show you ideas and inspiration that'll help you get a designer look for your home. Whether you can or can't afford to shop at Arhaus is not the point because I'll show you ways to add an elevated touch no matter your budget. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to share my favorite Arhaus lookalikes. For anyone new, I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration, furniture, and decor to make your home look like you hired a designer. If you're not already subscribed, hit the bell to get a notification for a new video every Sunday. Links to shop, follow, and learn with me are in the description below. There's also a blog post with all this information that you can bookmark and save to Pinterest to refer back to at any time. Now let's get shopping. If you've never shopped at Arhaus before, you may not be familiar with their furniture. Their style is the perfect blend of modern sophistication and classic charm. There's something for everyone, whether you love rustic farmhouse, modern coastal, transitional, or California eclectic. For help finding your design style, take the quiz below. Arhaus is known for high quality pieces, durable materials, unique styling, and exceptional craftsmanship. Shopping there is an investment in your home, but the pieces are made to last. We'll start with living room inspiration since most people shop for their sofa first when designing a home. Our house has a wonderful selection of custom sofas and sectionals to take your design to the next level. Look number one has a symmetrical layout, which in general gives a room a more traditional feel. What this means is that if you were to draw a line in the center of the room, it would be the same on either side. This space has the Ashby slope arm sofa, which has a transitional vibe and a pair of modern contemporary chairs on either side. The area rug defines the seating arrangement, which is a great technique to use when designing open floor plans. It's also most likely what was used for the jumping off point to create the neutral color palette. Notice the different colors that were pulled out in the coffee table, accent chairs, and throw blanket. If you need help creating a color palette, watch this video. The beauty of designing with neutrals is that you can get a completely new look just by changing the accent chairs and pillows. The last thing I want to point out about this seating arrangement is it's an update to your classic sofa and love seat combo. If that's what you currently have in your home, consider moving the love seat to another room and replace it with a pair of accent chairs for an updated look. Our house has a great selection of accent chairs, which you'll see throughout this video. Look number two has radial balance, which means that the arrangement is centered around a central focal point, in this case, the round drum coffee table. In general, larger rooms can handle the mass of a solid coffee table. In smaller spaces, a glass or open bottom coffee table is better because it'll feel expansive and airy. This space has a modern boxy sofa that invites you to sit down and get cozy. It's softened by the curved edges of the accent chairs and round coffee table. Again, this look has a neutral color palette, but it has layers of texture and pattern that add interest and dimension. Look number three is an example of how to mix and match furniture. It has a neutral base with the sofa, area rug, and side chair, but then it has the pattern accent chair that ties it all together. The unique chair has a solid frame with gold accents that are also found in the coffee table base and side table. The camel and taupe colors in the print are pulled out into the pillows, throw blanket, and coffee table stone top. Choosing one piece as the focal point and building your design around it is how you create a cohesive, well-balanced space. Aside from the chair being unique, the mixed materials of the coffee table add interest and texture, which is a must for any neutral space. It'll keep it from looking boring, which I talked about in this video. The coffee table also has an updated silhouette with the curved edges and reeded oak base that's currently trending. What I love about look number four is the color scheme pulled from the area rug because it's a great example of how to add contrast and color to your design. The camel color is in the stylish swivel chair, channel tufted ottomans, throw pillows, and blanket. Another way to add an elevated look is with interesting pieces like either of these side tables that are sure to be a conversation starter. The focal point of this look is the fireplace, but I would add a coffee table in the center and then use the ottomans for extra seating. They could go in front of the fireplace or underneath an open console table. By now, I'm sure you've noticed having a neutral base and sofa is a common theme. That's because it'll have a timeless look that can be updated without spending a fortune just by changing your accents. It's also because your sofa is the largest and most expensive piece in your living room. The average person keeps their sofa for 7 to 15 years, so it's an investment that should be chosen wisely. Next, we're going to look at sectional arrangements because Arhaus has some great options. Look number 5 features the oversized Kipton Chaise sectional, which would be great for a living room, basement, or family room. Yes, it has a light color, but it's made of Kipton performance fabric, which means it'll be stain resistant and super durable. So you don't need to worry about how it'll hold up. The leather chair and throw blanket add contrast. Also, the black pillows, vases, and coffee table base carry your eye throughout the space. Anytime you add a contrasting or pop of color, remember the rule of repetition and repeat it in at least 3 places so it doesn't look out of place. Other elements that add interest to this arrangement are the patterns in the rug, pillow, and veining of the marble coffee table top. Look number 6 features the Kipton corner sectional, which is paired with this stunning burl wood coffee table that has a mosaic-like surface. This is the perfect example of the unique pieces Arhaus has that'll add a focal point in your design. This look includes the Gemma swivel accent chair, which is an update to the classic wingback chair. It has an original silhouette and nubby fabric that adds texture, warmth, and a sophisticated touch to any room. The C table in this look is another piece that's great for smaller spaces. It has a compact design that can be pushed under and over the arm of the sofa. It also has a leather sling section that's perfect for storing books or magazines. When you have a smaller space, pieces with function and style are a must. Look number 7 features the Coburn sectional, which is available in multiple layouts. It's shown in the L-shaped sectional, but you could also get it as a pit sectional, which is the best layout for families, entertaining, and if you love hosting movie night. The modular pieces can be formed into the shape of a huge oversized bed, which is the ultimate in comfort and relaxation. This is a visual of a 12-piece pit sectional one of my clients purchased, which looks insane. The space was designed around the sectional, which leads us to my spiel about the importance of always measuring your room and creating a floor plan. It's the only way you'll know your furniture will fit and you'll avoid returns. Download the free PDF guide in the description below. Look number 8 has the Beale sectional, which is large and in charge. It's the ultimate in comfort and style, but clearly it requires a lot of space, so again, you must do a floor plan. In the store, it was paired with this handcrafted rectangle coffee table, but notice the large amount of space at the sides. The ideal distance between your coffee table and seating is 18 inches. I would pair this U-shaped sectional layout with 2 square coffee tables in the center for a high-end elevated look. Aside from sofa and sectional layout ideas in Arhaus, they also have ways to add creative moments to your living room, foyer, bedroom, or an empty corner. For example, look number 9 features 2 accent chairs, a large oversized mirror, unique side tables, and a stylish floor lamp. You can add a hide or fur rug to complete the look. Little touches like draping the throw blanket across the seat with a lumbar pillow add that designer touch. Also, bringing in greenery, whether real or faux, will bring the outdoors in and add a touch of nature to your design. Look number 10 is another corner moment that has an elevated look. This is what I was talking about with adding a hide rug to the previous arrangement. It's the perfect piece to add texture, pattern, and interest to your design. This look has a stylish daybed, accent chair, and ottoman for a curated look that will encourage intimate conversations. The application of the tall artwork and mirror draws your eye up and adds a sense of height. To set the mood and atmosphere, add accent lighting like you see here with the tiered pendant lights. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I drop a new video every Sunday that I really think you'll enjoy, so hit the bell to get a notification. Aside from intimate seating arrangements, another way to create a moment in your design is with a stylish sideboard or console table. Arhaus had several options, like this narrow console table styled with an oversized decorative mirror above. There was also this glam mid-century modern inspired sideboard with artwork and a cute table lamp. Arhaus has several pieces in the Finley collection that feature the reeded wood detail, including this this sideboard with the oversized round mirror above. It could be used in a living room, dining room, or foyer, depending on your storage needs. Speaking of storage needs, Arhaus had this arched cabinet, which is right on trend. Check out this video for more design trends to give your home an updated look. The arched cabinet is the perfect piece to style alone or as a pair if you have a lot of collectibles, decor, or books you'd like to display. It has more of a transitional or traditional feel, but for a modern version, you could go with the glass beaded cabinets from look number 1. Either option is great for styling your favorite books and decor. If you prefer a more open design, you'll love the look of the Xander bookcase, which is a statement piece in itself. In the store, they had a pair side by side, but you could add one on either side of your fireplace or TV to create a focal point in your design. There's also this open bookcase style with the trendy arch detail for a more transitional vibe. I've talked in detail about the impact layered lighting will have on your design in this video, and Arhaus is a great resource to achieve that designer look. They have everything from oversized chandeliers for ambient lighting, sconces and pendants for accent lighting, and table and floor lamps for task lighting. Remember to include a combination of all three plus natural light for a high-end designer look. In addition to living room inspiration, Arhaus had stylish dining room tables and chairs to update your home. They have everything from oval tables with sculptural bases to handcrafted stone tabletops that are sure to be the talk of the party. And yes, my friends, there is even a dining table with the wood reeded base because it's that popular. So much so that they have an entire bedroom collection with a bed, nightstand, and dresser. But whatever you do, do not buy the complete set off the showroom floor. That is the last way to get a designer look in your home. What you want to do is mix and match to create a curated look. For example, combine this upholstered bed with the reeded nightstands and a unique dresser. Adding the table lamps and mirrors will give your bedroom a high-end designer look. The lamps are an example of your task lighting, which adds balance, style, and ambiance. The mirrors will make your bedroom feel expansive, add height, and reflect the light. It's also great for making smaller spaces appear larger. In the same way that texture and mixed materials add interest to your living room, it'll do the same for your bedroom. This stylish 4-post bed has a modern contemporary look that will add a touch of glam to your bedroom. The shagreen panels add texture while the wood adds warmth. Again, do not buy the entire set. You want to mix and match from different stores and price points to personalize your design. At this point, I'm sure you have an appreciation for the beautiful pieces available at Arhaus. As mentioned in the beginning, Arhaus is a quality resource that is an investment in your home. That said, as promised, I'm going to show you 11 high-end looks for less that you can buy instead of or in combination with the pieces from Arhaus for a high-low look. That's actually the best way to create a designer look for less because no one will know what you bought where if you don't tell them. Number 1, the Arhaus Remington 2/2 sofa for $3,999 compared to the West Elm look for less for $1,615. This style's great for anyone just starting out because you can get a similar look for more than half the price. Number 2, the Coburn modular sectional at Arhaus for $3,199 with the Walmart look for less at just under $680. The main difference between the two is the scale and the quality. Number 3, the Beale sectional for $12,750 compared to the look for less from Walmart for $1,488. Now, even though I'm giving you these sofa looks for less, in my opinion, you should invest in a quality sofa. It doesn't have to be from Arhaus, but it should be made to last and have performance fabric if that's within your budget. I'm very happy with my 2 sofas from Interior Define, and they're probably half to a third the price of Arhaus. I talked about my experience and thoughts on them in these 2 videos. Number 4, the Arhaus reeded base coffee table for $2,399 compared to the Walmart look for less for $290. The price of the Walmart version is so affordable that you could buy a pair to create a bunching table look if you have a larger space and you'd still only be at $600. This is why I always say to educate yourself on the trends and designer looks so that you know how to recreate the look for less in your home. Number 5 is the Arhaus textured weave swivel chair for $1,999 compared to the Walmart style for just under $504. While they're not exactly the same, they both have a unique stylish silhouette with nubby textured fabric. Number 6, the Arhaus Martini side table for $4.99 compared to the Target Look for Less for $2.75. Either one would look fabulous next to the accent chairs that we just saw. Number 7, the arch cabinet from Arhaus for almost $4,000 compared to either Walmart Look for Less for $358 or $487. This is another piece where you could buy two and still be at a quarter of the price of one from Arhaus. Number 8, for a modern look, we have the Arhaus Read-It cabinet for $2,300 versus the Walmart version for just under $460. These are great if you want to display books and decor behind closed doors where you can't see every detail. Number 9, the Arhaus Oversized Gold Ornate Mirror for $699 compared to the Walmart Look for Less for just under $250. This piece will elevate the look of your living room for your bedroom and more. Number 10, moving on to the bedroom, we have the Arhaus Wingback upholstered bed for $3,599 compared to the Walmart Look for Less for $369 for a king-size bed, which is amazing. Just make sure that you don't lean your head directly against the bed because depending on the products that you use in your hair and your natural oils, it can leave a mark on the fabric that may not come out. Number 11, the Arhaus Shagreen nightstand for $1,699 compared to the Walmart style for just under $500. This is another piece from the designer furniture brand Tove. For more amazing pieces that will give you a high-end look for less, check out this video. For smaller spaces, Arhaus also has this open nightstand for $1,399 compared to the Walmart version for $232. Number 12, this wall mirror would look fabulous above the Shagreen nightstand for a high-end elevated look. The Arhaus style costs just under $600 with the Look for Less at Walmart for $156. Number 13, the last style is this Arhaus Sherpa Proof for $299 compared to the Walmart Boucle Ottoman for just over $52. The scale is smaller, but the price is so affordable. Whether you decide to splurge or save, remember, good design takes time, so don't rush the process. For help and guidance to make your home look like you hired a designer, sign up for Designer Home 101 by clicking the link in the description below. In the easy-to-follow course, you'll learn to transform your home into a happy place that reflects your unique style and personality. No experience necessary. You'll be guided every step of the way from finding your style to adding the finishing touches that make a room feel complete. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this Arhaus Shop With Me Roundup. I hope these tips and ideas help you to get a high-end look for less in your home and inspire your next design project. Links to shop are in the description below, and they're also saved to my LTK shop and Walmart storefront. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and leave a comment below what you'd like to see next. For more design tips and inspiration, check out this video. Love you all so much and happy designing.